Ron here with a Perfectly Imperfect Marriage, and want to talk a little bit about our communication blueprint. This is module 2 in the Newly Sober Spouse Marriage Revival Grow, Restore, Strengthen program. And as you might be able to guess, we're going to be talking about communication. Now, if this video resonates at all with you, make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So, some of the things that we unpack in the communication blueprint are learning how to express feelings without the need for blaming and shaming. We're also going to be talking about developing a strategy, a regular go-to strategy that we're going to utilize for handling disagreements constructively, coming to resolutions quickly and efficiently, which is only going to lead to a stronger marital dynamic. And then we're also going to be talking about how to regularly express gratitude in our daily interactions with each other, where we fit that in and what that looks like. Now, communication is the bedrock of a healthy marriage and that marriage dynamic. And so many of us struggle with different things, techniques, ideas, patterns when it comes to communication. So, what we're looking to do here is really develop a customized strategy that fits your dynamic, wherever you are right now in your marital journey. Now, you may know Samantha and I, we may have had some interactions, we may not have. Either way, we've got the certifications, we've done the schooling, we've been doing this for a little while, but that's really not where we're coming from. We are both on the other side of sobriety. 2017, we were on the brink of divorce. We understand where you are right now and what it takes for that transformation to get to where you want to go. It's a grind, and our goal here really is to give you the head start that we didn't have, so that ideally you don't need to struggle as long as we did. But we are coming at this from exactly where you were, so we get it. Would you take parenting advice from somebody who doesn't have kids? So why would you take sobriety advice and marital advice from somebody who hasn't walked through the fire? Some of the common hurdles we see in the beginning: fearing honest conversations lead to fights, assuming your spouse isn't going to understand where you're coming from or your point of view, or thinking that open talks, that open dialogue are going to backfire, and somehow that the information that you share is going to be used as a weapon later down the road. So these are all false. They're absolute lies. We're going to unpack these, we're going to work through these, and we're going to, again, create a specific plan of attack. Now, this is our one-page communication blueprint. I want to get you guys a copy of this. Absolutely free, no cost, our gift to you. There will be a link down below, and grab it. Ideally, it's going to give you a head start and some tips and tricks to improve your communication with your spouse right now where you're at. Now, understand, this is just one part of the overall roadmap, the Marriage Revival Grow, Restore, Strengthen program. And as you can see, this has really taken us from where we are now in this struggle: poor communication, lack of trust, no emotional or physical intimacy, concerns about what the future looks like. This roadmap gets us from these issues that we're currently struggling with to the transformation that we want. And, I want you to understand, it's absolutely possible. You guys are not alone. Samantha and I did it. We've worked with other couples who have done it. Transformation is 100% possible, and it's available to you. You got to take the first step, and you've got to be willing to put some work in. So also below is a link to our website. You can learn a little bit more about Samantha and I, as well as what the program looks like. And you can also schedule a call. Get on our calendar, and we'd be more than happy to talk about the program, answer any questions you have. And if we do choose to move forward, make sure that we are a good fit. We won't work with just anybody. You have to have a strong desire for change and understand that, you got to put a little work in if you want to get to where you're looking to go. So I hope this resonated with you, and I look forward to talking with you soon.